You all said you wanted to see more regular posts, and you all said you wanted to see more of this. Liam? So we probably wouldn't have filmed this typically in the past, but everyone said we should be posting more regular content of sort of day-to-day stuff that we get up to. So we're out getting some pictures of the Skyline at the moment, and we thought we'd just bring the camera out. After this we're going to head over to the garage because it's going to need the cat putting back into it for tests, so we'll talk to you more when we get there.
So I bought this some time ago. It's a sad sports car, high flowing sports car, 2 gaskets. Should be a pretty simple job, 4 bolts. I'm gonna get on with it.
I'm gonna film the whole video like this.
Fuck off.
Stop.
We need these ramps ASAP, don't we?
Yep.
I don't think I'll even get anything under that now.
This is why we need lifts.
Oh yeah, alright.
Illegal. Legal.
Definitely gonna have a problem getting this like up on the ramps, I think.
That really wasn't easy to film because we can't really show any of it because it's just changing 4 bolts and a piece of exhaust. It's not really that interesting, but I think it might change the sound of the car a little bit.
It's gonna tone it down.
Yeah, it should, but I don't think massively though, because it looked like it's a high floor cut and it looked fairly coarse, so we'll see. Do you want to see if it still does flames or?
No.
Yeah. People want
maybe
flames.
later, not today.
People want flames.
I don't think it will though.
Calling them out. Not cool anymore.
Damn. Yeah, so obviously it's mapped, not with the sports car in. I was told going from, so if you mapped on a cat, then you go to a D cat, it's sort of, that can be worse for the engine or whatever, so asking the proper people anyway, I found out sort of this should be safe, so, but if it's going to stay for long.
The car's still fairly loud. I think it's a tiny little bit quieter, but like I said, you could see through the cat, so it's probably pretty high flow anyway. As I said, it's yeah, it doesn't really matter. The lack of flames is not as cool, but it is what it is.
I could probably get it up to temperature and give it some, but I'm not really feeling it at the minute. I actually prefer the way it sounds at the moment.
I think it's like,
it's not as drony.
It sounds as good, but a little like
more refined.
Took a bit of that bass out of it, so it's
I might keep that in.
See how it goes.
Yeah. So I'm just talking a little bit about the Skyline. it's probably not really beneficial doing it, but I was going to get the Mines titanium downpipes. I have another cash to do it, obviously having this. I was going to do it last year, but I never got around to it. There was a few things I wanted to finish on this car. I probably could get another brand other than Mines, but I think Adam agrees as well. We watched a couple of things on the internet and actually spoke to a few people that had them on the car, and it makes it sound like a completely different car. So
yeah, it changes the tone, definitely.
Yeah, definitely. Speaking about the Skyline again, so I'm going to get it probably serviced shortly. I was going to do it myself, but I'm a bit wary about doing it. It's just the timing belt. Usually people will change the water pump also, so maybe we might do that, but I'll take to JM Imports, which is probably what I'm going to do. But we have the space now, so it makes sense to do it. So I might do a bit of research and we'll try and do it maybe. Just when it comes to things like that, it's kind of, I don't want to take liability maybe, but it's always easier blaming someone else.
Yeah.
But it's nothing, we're more than capable of doing it. So.
As Liam just mentioned about obviously some of the service stuff, our intention is hopefully to do a track day fairly soon, next few months. So obviously, give the car a bit of attention beforehand. I'll be going over the M3, so we'll see how we get on with that. And as we mentioned, this wasn't really like a planned one of them videos. It was something we just decided to just get the camera out and film. If you do like that type of stuff, obviously make sure you hit the like button and subscribe and all that.
Makes sense for us to do these kind of videos. Also, I just want to say thanks to Jonathan for doing the photographs. Hopefully we'll be able to put some of these in the video. If not, we'll post them on Instagram and stuff like that. We've seen a lot of his things on his Instagram page. We'll put a link on now. He's a really good photographer, so do check him out. I think he's wanted to get more into cars, so if you're local to us, give him a shout. Ah.